Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for France partner visa online step by step. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, and my intention to make this video is to show you how to navigate through the service. And if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. And also, the entries and other information you see in this video are gonna be sample only. So let's proceed. So the very first thing, like, I have opened this French visa official website and I'm gonna log in. If you don't have the account created, first you gotta create and then you can log in. So let's proceed. So this is the first page. Here you need to click on create a new application on set of applications, and then again they have given you the information how you can apply. Okay, first you need to do as per your plan. So let's say, okay, you're from India. Place of submission, of course, like when you apply for a partner visa, it's gonna be like a long stay, right? Main destination, all right. This I'm gonna put a sample. Date of issue, your plans, business, family or private settlement, minor child, other professional return visa. So family or private settlement. Accompanying family holder of skilled residence per accompanying child, dependent holder, family reunion, father, mother, parent, spouse of French national. Okay, so I click on verify. You need a visa. All right, click on next. And this page, when this page loads, it may take a few seconds, so you need to be careful. Okay, so the first page is like your information, which is pretty simple. You can say your name, details, date of birth, country of birth, your personal information, address, city, phone number, email address. Do you live in a country other than your country of current nationality? Are you traveling with a French national family member? Do you have any family members who live in France? This you will say yes in this case because it's like partner visa, but it depends on the case. If partner is living in France, that we are assuming, and your job. So I'm just gonna put some sample values, then I'm gonna click on next, and you need to fill as per your case. Don't just go by what I'm showing it to you. Next is about your last visit to France. Indicate here if you have previously resided in France for more than 3 months in a row. So I select no, but whatever is applicable in your case, and I'm gonna click on next. Planned day of arrival, number of months to stay. So I select this. Of course, it's a partner visa, kind of permanent. And will you be traveling? I have selected no, but if in your case partner is accompanying, so click on yes. And I'm going to put a sample, and then I'm going to click on next. Now your contacts, a person will be accommodating me, funding of travel cost, myself. So you can select whatever is applicable in your case. Host organization, a person, so in this case like partner, so her husband, whatever is applicable in your case you're gonna do. So I'm gonna put some sample, and then I'm gonna click on next. Here comes the recap. Okay, and then here if you want to make any change, you change, otherwise you go on next, and then I'm going to show the supporting document that you got to upload, and then go to appointment. So we won't go to uploading supporting document, but at least we'll see what are the supporting documents. Okay, travel document, 2 blank pages, ID, photograph, civil status, French, okay, French national, proof of French nationality of the French spouse, important. Price €99, and because I selected India, so it is also showing Indian currency. So if I click on continue, it will take me to the appointment page. That I am not gonna do. So thanks for watching this. I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching.